In today's video tutorial, I'm gonna walk you through how to transfer money from Gcash to Gcash. The process is straightforward, and I kindly request that you watch the video until it concludes. To begin, open the Gcash app. Once you're on the main interface of the Gcash app, select the Send option. From there, choose Express Send. To proceed, you will need to input a phone number currently in the Philippines. After entering the necessary numbers, tap on the amount field, preferably in peso. However, if you have no balance, it will appear differently. Once you made your decision, click on Send. Once the transaction is complete, a receipt will be displayed. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.